Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Ninjatrader on PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and then go to account.ninjatrader.com. You might need to sign into your account or create a live account or demo account. So just go through that process, then you should come back to this page. Now from here on the bottom left hand corner, you probably notice an orange download button. So go ahead and click onto that. So here we go, most recent release. So Ninjatrader's award-winning desktop platform delivers a powerful and customizable trading experience designed for active traders. Download it here for free. So go ahead and click on the download button. If you want to go and use a prior release, you can do so on the far right. So you got different versions you can download, but I recommend getting the most up-to-date version. So you can also have a look at your PC requirements. So this is your minimum PC requirements. Make sure your PC can run it. You can also click on what's new and release notes. So from here, go ahead and click on download, and that should start downloading. Now it is 78 megabytes in size, so let that run its course. Then once that finished downloads, go ahead and double click onto it, click yes, and then go through the installation process. So here we go, that's finished now. So now I'm going to open up the installation. Alright, so here we go. Welcome to the Ninjatrader setup wizard. So I'm just going to minimize this back page, make it look a bit easier. Alright, so in the setup wizard will install Ninjatrader on your computer. So click next, have a read of the terms and service. And now select skin. So we've got different, we can do Ninjatrader default, dark, state, slate light. I'm just going to do default for this demo. And now install Ninjatrader 2. I'm going to keep it there. If you do want to change the location, click on change. Now from here, click install to begin installation, and then click back to review or change any of your installation settings. So just basically click on install. Now that's going to go ahead and install Ninjatrader onto your PC. So just give that a few moments to do its thing, and I'll pause this video and get back to you once this has completed. So there we go. Complete the Ninjatrader setup wizard. Click finish. Okay, so once it's finished, a little pop-up should appear. If it doesn't, just do a search for Ninjatrader. This didn't appear after I finished, so I had to do a search for it manually. Now go ahead and put in your username, password, or just sign in with your Google account or sign in with Apple. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So a pop-up should appear that you need to authorize. Alright, so I want to sign into Ninjatrader. I'm going to click continue. Alright, now how do you want to trade? Live trading or simulation? So just go ahead and choose which one. I'm just going to do simulation for this demo. It might ask for, do you want to allow public and private networks to access the app? I'm just going to go click allow. Now from here, you can go ahead and start using Ninjatrader.